Damn it, no, no, I'm broken. Oh, they're stuck in the hurricane. And that's how you lip sync an audio. Yesterday was a hurricane and an earthquake on the same day here in Los Angeles. I survived Hurricane 2023.
God damn it, Gump.
Chris.
Give me one margarita, I'ma open my legs.
But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
Chris, always hilarious. But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan, ice cream. Also, one margarita and I'm gonna open my legs. Chris introduced me to that song at VidCon this past year. Thanks, Chris.
Hello?
Hello,
Yes?
who is this?
3 likes. 3 likes, and I've reached the end of TikTok in 2 swipes. That's it. That's... Why?
Water.
Oh!
Earth.
Sorry, this is...
Fire.
Oh no!
Air.
Oh no! That's where I live! That all happened to me yesterday! Literally! Hurricane Hillary came through here. I felt the earthquake. I do love The Last Airbender. Oh, I keep on seeing this filter. All of these are fantastic. All of them. All right, I'll try it next. My wife said I looked like a contestant on The Bachelor when I was wearing that outfit. So let's see if this makes it look cool.
You know how there's that scene in
Damn
every
it.
rom-com where the hero or heroine will do a big love
love rom-coms,
confession
though. Let's
and
see
they'll
what
have
they
like
say.
a long list of things they've observed about the other person
Uh-huh.
that are like really sweet little details about their life. Let me tell you something. That is actually not fun. The horror of
Have
being
you-
loved is being known and observed
True.
constantly. The other day my husband was like, "You stare at your food a lot when you eat." And I was like, "What?" He's like,
This video had 0 likes and 0 comments. I have liked it and commented because I agree with this person.
"This is you eating a sandwich." You're like, and I was like, I didn't.
It's really, listen, being loved is hard, okay? Everyone says that a lot of things are difficult, but accepting love, now that's difficult.
All right, I just spent the day eating every type of shrimp.
I'm not going to Red Lobster, but hey, if you want to sponsor the next video, let me know. I do love your biscuits.
We're guessing colors today. Okay, first one, easy. I was a graphic designer for, I don't know, like 6 years.
I love
have
this
a lot of
filter.
experience looking at
I'm
colors.
so good at this
Easy.
filter.
Boom. Not
Boom.
even close.
Boom,
Okay, that was a
Boom.
little difficult.
boom, boom,
I wonder
boom.
if there's like a high score on this thing. Okay, this
Boom.
one's actually so hard.
It's right there. It's right
Maybe
there.
some in
There we
the
go.
sun.
There we go.
Oh, that pink one was
There you
easy.
go. There you go.
Let's go purple.
There you go.
Green.
There you go.
Orange.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, it's getting
He's gonna get to 20.
significantly more
He's gonna get to 25. Watch him get to 25.
Okay, this one is genuinely. Where is
It's right
it?
there. It's right there. It's right there. It's
That
right there. There we go. Right there.
Okay, I was very confident in the beginning.
Ooh, the bottom right. Okay. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Bottom left. Bottom left. Bottom
Which
left.
one
Bottom
is
left.
it?
Bottom left.
There it is.
Ugh.
Boom.
Bottom right.
Easy.
Or bottom left.
No!
No.
26 isn't bad.
That's a really fun one. I think I've actually played that one before on this series. Come on, I got this. 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 So we're gonna keep going.
No need to scoot! The wind will get it! Trains are fast, boys, but they named a boss after me! Oh, come on, Trash. I'm sorry.
So just dog compilations. Cute dog videos. I'm gonna watch this whole thing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Video inside of a video. Laugh challenge. This dog compilation. Ready? And
No need
go.
to scoot! The wind will get it! Trains are fast, boys, but they named a boss after me! Oh, come on, Trash. I'm sorry. I made a
Beautiful hair.
mistake.
Beautiful. I have to narrate. That's. Oh
Be
my god, this is
baptized,
so
brother,
funny.
and be gone from here, Satan!
Dog Sidious.
Wow! Terry, that was was incredible.
Oh my god, this is so hard. This is such a difficult. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. I'm not laughing. That was a laugh. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, wait. Okay, hang on. Be serious.
Be honest.
Be serious.
Am I adopted?
Was that a laugh? Yep.
They're not extinct. Jurassic Park is real. Not now, Derek. I'm right in the middle of my workout video.
Oh my
Sorority
God.
picture time. Get over here, Shelly.
Oh my
3, 2, 1.
God.
5 fetches lava. Let me see it before you post it. Sugar, did you pick up the bone meal?
No.
You forgot the bone meal. That's
Damn it,
one
no.
thing I need.
No, I'm broken.
I gotta get some air.
I'm broken.
I'm Ricky, your blind date. I can show you the world. See, Pete, he sleeps with his feet to his teeth.
Okay. Stop.
I was the French bulldog, wee.
Oh.
Coyotes are
Hello?
so stupid. Those are your ancestors, Philip. Oh, I'm all bark and no bite, huh?
Okay.
Well, how about I just bite your bark then? I'll see you dudes later. Sign the Texas tornado.
I've been on Tinder 2 months and haven't been matched
this
with
is so
anyone.
funny.
I'm house trained.
This is
and
so
sick
funny.
And shake. I just don't know.
This
what
is so
I'm doing
funny.
Wrong.
Why? Get a hold
This
of
is
yourself,
so
kid. Hey,
funny.
Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay.
Oh.
My name is Cotton, and I'm trotting to a yacht I bought in Scotland. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that was difficult. I think I laughed like 3 or 4 times. How many times did you laugh? Let me know in the comments. And while you're here, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and like I said, leave a comment down below. Clicking that notification bell. I'm really trying to make this video grow after 14 years. Thank you so much. New videos every day. Subscribe. What's my problem? What is that? What's your problem? Wow. Whoa. What's my problem? Yeah, that's my problem.
You know, a lot of the times we teach our kids lessons. Sometimes they teach us lessons
Absolutely,
and make us
Justin.
think about the way we do things.
Absolutely,
Last
Justin.
night I was walking through the house and I saw Blake sitting on the floor on his phone with it plugged in. He's got one of our old phones that's not connected to cell service. He just uses it on Wi-Fi. And I said, Blake, what are you doing? He said, I'm learning Spanish. Why are you learning Spanish? He said, well, there's this kid in my class and he only speaks Spanish and I really want to talk to him. Now that was pretty powerful for me. Sometimes if you want to connect with somebody, you got to meet them where they're at. Try to be like Blake today.
God bless you, Blake. Hell yeah.
Honey, this was all fun and games, but now we're actually running from Hillary.
We saw her 45 miles. We saw her 45 miles away and went out.
Oh my god!
Oh, they're stuck in the hurricane in Yucca.
Hillary's coming to get us.
Hillary's here.
Oh, I hope they're okay. Beautiful view, though. That's wild. Oh my god. If you haven't watched this live stream, it's fantastic. It's a mowing robot. Nate Peterson. He lives on a farm in West Virginia, or a farm. He lives on a plot of land in West Virginia, and that's all. He just is making it himself, and he goes live with this lawn mowing robot. It's fantastic content. Fantastic content. Approved.
Hello. TikTok is not getting banned.
What?
I spoke with actual TikTok and Congressman Bowman's office, and I think I figured out where things went a little awry.
What?
I had seen people talking about TikTok maybe getting banned in the Hawley and Rubio amendments, but those were never voted on. Those were not included in the final.
I'm glad TikTok isn't getting banned because I didn't know that it was this time. Every time TikTok almost gets banned, it gets a lot of press. But if V is talking about something now, I didn't hear about it. So that's good that it's not getting banned. Thank God. Hope you gotta watch out for that. Hope you gotta watch out for that. Was it to get away from the cats? What was it? Oh. Boss baby. Boss baby. can I just say that that's the best video that I've seen with that filter, with that CapCut template used. Fantastic. What rat are you? That's the whole video. All right, what rat am I? Oh. I mean, if that rat is screaming Linkin Park, then yeah.
Someone just called me a weirdo. Fucking yeah.
Let's watch it again.
Someone just called me a weirdo. Fucking yeah.
And that's how you lip sync an audio. This is very true. Yep. This is very true. Okay, well, it did vary. It was a lot of rain, but it did vary. The eye literally passed over my house. It's pretty crazy, actually. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. If you like this video and you want to see more, please consider subscribing. I upload videos every single day here on sidneyraz Reacts, reaction to life hacks, all kinds of stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Hopefully, next time it won't be the day after a hurricane. See ya!